So if you have a Honda from the 90s into the early 2000s and you find that it's leaking oil from a little plug on the end of the camshaft, here is how to fix it. And it's really surprising how much oil can squirt out of here. So if you clean off your engine, like I cleaned this one off last night, it didn't even drive it, and you can see all that oil has come out again. So if you have what looks like a big oil leak coming from the top of your engine, that's most likely the suspect. These things shrink with age. So you should just be able to pry it out like this. And then it's got little feet on it, the original one. So you want to make sure there's no pieces that are missing. So you want to inspect the feet and make sure there's nothing that's going to bounce around in there and get all ground up. I think we did okay with this one. So we clean out the hole. So these are options for replacement. This one's $5 at any auto parts store, and you can see it's the big plug with a flange on both ends of it. So I couldn't figure out how to jam this into the hole. I think if you get one of these, you've got to actually take the valve cover off and then put it back on. Whereas if you go with the original Honda part, which this is from the Honda dealer, this is 15 bucks. It's got a new rubber O-ring here, and it's got the little clip-on feet, and you just pop it in 2 seconds versus doing more work to put this one on. I'll put links to both of these in the description, and you can choose your tool. So installation is simple. Just get the little tabs in there. Pop, pop. And once you pop, you can't stop. There you go. So that's it. That'll stop the oil leak.